Good morning, everyone. My name is Portia, and today I'm going to speak some few words about the topic: how can social media be used productively by the youth? So, before going to the topic, let us know what is technology. So, if there is no technology, then there will be no social media. So, technology has been improved so far. Many scientists are working on it. So, technology is very useful in such a way, like we are using mobile phones, social media, or any apps which are useful for us, but sometimes it can be very dangerous for us too, like it can spoil our life. So if we use the social media in the right way, it can be a friend of us, and if we use it in the wrong way, it can spoil our life. So let us know some negative and positive aspects about the social media. So social media, like we can know many information, new things on YouTube, Google, and even some negative points of social media are like nowadays youths can suffer from depression, like they are obsessed with mobile phones. They cannot stay with mobile phones, playing video games all the time, not working on their studies, not maintaining a proper body shape. And next one is we can also know many things about their culture, customs, traditions. Not only our culture, we can also know about the culture of other countries, languages, and one of the negative point is that the children, the youths become obesity. Like they always stay with mobile phones, so they never do any physical activities, will which leads to obesity. So these are some of the positive and negative aspects of the social media. The youths, like we teenagers, should use social media wisely so that it can be a friend of us, and it can also it can be productive to us. Thank you.